Reading. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Reading process of understanding something and therefore helps you store information and ideas. Do you remember when you were, I don't know if any of y'all are psychology students, they teach you something called short-term memory and long-term memory. Okay. So the way you read would depend on how
And
the
nowadays
information.
everybody knows about those because of dramas always having short term and long term memory losses.
Yeah, I know. Okay, that makes things easier. Okay, so depending on how you're reading, it would just tell you in terms of how information is getting stored. I know there were so many students I've heard who telling me, "Ma'am, I know we wrote the paper, but I have no idea what I wrote in it. I was writing so fast, I remember things, but if you ask me any question just now, I will not be able to answer. It's gone out of the window." Okay, so these things are very natural, they do happen, but I'm just telling you in terms of this is how reading comprehension works. Okay, reading is done for which purposes, why, how, print and non-print media. Okay, obviously you've got magazines, newspapers, etc., WhatsApp messages. Oh my God, the family WhatsApp group is so nice, no? With its forwards. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. Okay. So,
And
read. Yeah, tell me.
you know what's worse than that?
Hmm.
The unofficial groups, college ka.
Don't do
15
that.
minutes, 500 messages. By the time you come back, you
Actually,
don't
it's
know where
like that.
people are anymore.
But then why don't you say something if it's irritating you? If it's
No,
that.
but it's fun, no, ma'am. When you are sitting and reading together with them, it's fun. It's like a conversation is actually happening.
I know.
I just skip the messages.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. Reading skills used for what purposes and how. I don't think I need to explain this. Just go through this. If you don't understand something, ask me. Okay. Now, while you're reading this, I want you to remember that at some point of time you will be asked to do research. Okay. When you're doing research, please remember this. Okay. Because this is how you will be able to kind of figure out what you need from that particular text. Okay. So use this as your backdrop information whenever you're planning to do any research paper or a project, or you're planning to go out and do some experiment or something, survey data, whatever it is, go through this. If you want, please take a screenshot and keep this with you. Okay. Um, at the end of reading this slide, what it will tell you is the ideas between perception and interpretation. Okay. Perception, one is obviously your perception to the text. Okay. And how you're able to read it and what it means to you, and the interpretation, what it gives you. Okay. So you're looking at, say, for example, you're able to identify the author's purpose. Okay. Or you're trying to read it for a particular reason. So please remember, perception and interpretation go hand in hand. Okay. Yeah. The reading strategies. Okay. This is a list of all of them. What I explained to you. How do you realize what you need to choose at what particular stage? Okay. This is what we discussed just now. Okay. For normal rate of learning, it is 100 to 200 words per minute, and how exactly it goes on through different situations. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Reading for comprehension. This is generally what we do on a daily basis, right? When you're doing things at a leisurely pace. So let's say you're reading a newspaper, you're reading a magazine, you're reading something new, a new novel. This is what you're doing in terms of detailed reading. Okay, skimming. Um, okay, you're trying to get the gist of something, you're skimming through what is really, really important. These are examples that you could see. Okay, so you're trying to find out which book you want, or you're skipping through the main point and making sure that you kind of get the information that you require. That's skimming. Scanning, you're looking for something specific. See, a specific focus. When you're looking up your name, for example, in a lucky draw result. Okay. So you're using scanning. Okay. The more you read, the faster your pace will get. Okay. You as well as I know that there are people who are able to finish, like say, 10 books in a week without a problem. Okay, and they don't necessarily have to be the thinnest book that you find out from the library. It's generally really hardcore stuff. Okay. So yeah, active reading will help you kind of enhance your skills. Whenever you find yourself in doubt and you need to kind of work through things, please use strategies in terms of rereading whenever you require. Okay. Elaboration and rereading is something you will use closer to the exam. Okay. That time you ask, no, Miss, I have doubts, Miss. Please explain, Miss. Please explain. That is elaboration and rereading. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Again, this is a list of the strategies. And now, this is my favorite slide, by the way. Let's pause and take a minute and look at how beautiful I made this PPT. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry. Okay. Um, Examples, situation. Tell me in terms of the examples presented before you, what strategy you would use. First one goes to Roshni.
Um, Friday evening, right? So I would like detail reading because probably next is weekend approaching.
You read the TV guide in detail.
Sorry.
You want me to show you this again? These are your options: details, skimming, scanning, active reading, prediction, surveying, summarizing. TV guide. Anyone else?
Summarizing?
Ma'am,
Prediction.
can I?
Ma'am, prediction.
Prediction.
Skimming. Skimming.
Predictions.
Prediction, ma'am.
Prediction.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And why do you say prediction? Why do
It
you
wi-
say?
it is going to happen. It's not done.
Okay. So generally, whenever you buy a new product, you automatically recognize that there's this little booklet with it inside. Okay. You know on one side you've got English, on the other side you've got Hindi or Marathi or whatever the other language is going to be. You're already predicting what is going to be within that text. Therefore, you skip to the most important part. Therefore, very correctly, yes, you use two strategies here. One is prediction and the second one is skimming. Okay. Okay, very good.
Okay,
Next,
ma'am.
yeah, next one, the English grammar book.
Detail reading.
Mhm,
Detailed reading.
Detailed reading.
mhm.
Detailed reading.
Detailed reading.
Okay. My next question is, do you think for the English grammar book you would have only detailed reading, or can you add something
And
else?
survey.
Okay.
Summarizing.
Summarizing, I think.
Summarizing.
Summarizing.
Okay, so when you're looking at an English grammar book, it's detailed reading and active reading. Okay. Yes, summarizing and the others do come into play, not denying that, but especially when you're looking at focused reading, okay, you need to actively make sure that you're paying attention. Have you seen sometimes you can look at a page for 1,000 minutes and see that you're staring at it, but nothing filters through? That's when you're not
Yes.
actively reading. Okay. So for an English grammar book, you have to actively make sure that you understand what you're reading. Okay. Next one, an article in the National Geographic magazine about the Roman Empire.
Active reading.
Ma'am, could you show the list possible?
Yeah.
Serving.
Skimming and active
I
reading.
think skimming,
Skimming.
skimming and active reading. Yes.
Okay. Excellent. Very good. Very well done. Next one, a good friend's homepage on the internet. Homepage is a
Scanning.
Scanning.
okay.
Active Scanning. reading.
Scanning.
Active reading. Scanning.
Scanning.
Skimming.
Okay. Yeah, just think of when you see your friend's Facebook account, you know what you do? You search first, who are the friends that are common, then you find out who you want to stalk, what you're going to do. Okay, very good. Yes, detailed reading or active reading as well as skimming and scanning. Next one, an opinion page in your local newspaper.
Summarizing.
Mhm.
Prediction.
Serving kind of.
Surveying.
Mhm.
Active reading.
I think it can be a combination of prediction and serving.
Mhm.
Serving.
Okay, so one thing, 90% of the time people generally don't stick around for the opinion. Okay, they know that it is just something that someone is trying to say, and depending on how important it is, your strategy would differ. So let's say if it is something that is related to a current hot topic, you would then go into detailed reading. But if it is just a simple opinion that you're not really bothered about, you just go straight to
Skimming.
prediction. Okay, prediction, because you know what will happen. Let's say if I tell you, um, uh, okay, mm, let's say you're reading an article by do you know Chetan Bhagat?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so there is a very what do you say? Some people really like him, some people really hate him. Okay, so depending on what you think about him, an opinion given by him, you would decide what you're planning, how you plan to read it. Either you'll predict
Yes.
it saying that, you know what, oh yeah, he's got something really important to say, I might as well stick around and read it, or oh my god, this is all focus focus, I mean, I can already predict what he's going to say, I don't need to bother, I'll just skip it and go to the next thing. Okay. um Last one, the weather report in your local newspaper.
Prediction.
Skimming.
Read it.
Skimming.
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 Active reading and surveying.
Excellent, very good. Active reading, skimming, surveying. Last one, a novel.
Active reading.
Active reading.
Active
Active
reading.
reading.
Active
Active
reading.
reading.
Active reading.
Perfect.
Active reading.
A poem.
Active reading.
Active
Ac-
reading.
Nothing is on
Active reading.
Active and detailed reading. Both.
active
Mhm.
reading.
Prediction, ma'am.
Also, remember for a poem, you'd also use summarization.
Yes,
Okay,
you need to take into account the figures of speech, everything.
absolutely. A bus timetable.
Active
Skimming.
reading.
Skimming.
Scanning.
Skimming.
Scanning.
Scanning or
Skimming.
surveying.
Very good. So,
Prediction.
yeah, very good. Prediction, scanning, and surveying. Okay. If you're looking at the bus timetable, you will not look at all the other times. You straight away go to which one is important for you. So therefore, don't waste time with that. Okay. A fax at the office.
Scanning.
Detailed
Active
reading.
reading.
Scanning, scanning.
Mhm. Okay. Very good. Detailed and scanning. An advertisement email called spam.
Skimming.
Scamming.
Skimming.
Skimming,
Skimming.
skimming.
Mhm. It's also prediction, right? Because you know that it's not really worth your time. So you'll just like read the title of it and then go to the next thing. Okay. Next one. An email or a letter from your best friend.
Scanning.
Active
Active
reading.
reading.
Active reading.
Active reading. Prediction.
Very good. Active reading and detailed reading. A recipe.
Scanning.
Detailed
Skimming,
reading.
Detailed reading.
Mm-hmm.
Detailed
Very
reading.
good.
Surveying.
Details. Skimming.
Mm-hmm. A
Summarizing
short.
as well.
summarizing, huh? Skimming and summarizing.
Okay. A short. A short story by your favorite author.
Detailed
Active
reading.
reading.
Active reading.
Detailed
Active
reading.
reading.
Detailed active.
Okay. Okay, just in case you are not able to get books, especially considering now with the pandemic and all that, these are a few apps that I kind of made a list of. So, in case you are able to get some of them, really good. I think they do charge you. Okay, they charge you like a nominal fee or something. Just be a little careful. I also know that depending on what book you want. You have something like Google Books, you have Google
Yes,
Scholar,
ma'am.
yeah. So you'll be able to get
Some books are
online.
free and some books are paid.
Correct, correct, correct. Okay.